Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or non-terminating decimal, repeating decimal form. Before going to that, without doing normal division, they are asking. So for that, we have to do one thing. So what is the case here to do? So if it is a terminating means, we will have, let's take P by Q. They are given in the format of this. So here Q is the denominator. So we have to concentrate on the denominator one. So Q, if you write in the format of 2 power m 5 power n, that is after doing prime factorization, if and only if it is a 2 power m 5 power n, then only it is what you can say it is terminating. So terminating decimal, you can say like this. If it is a possible with that form. Then again another form for 5 power m. Let's take here 5 power m means your a q may be without having 2 also. If it is completely 5 means that is also terminating. That is also terminating. The first case is actually 2 with the m. 5 also no problem. So terminating decimal only 5. Only this one. Then if it is a q is in the format of, let's take 2 power m 5 power n, let's take some any other integer. The x may be, let's take x power anything p, x power p. So here x is the any integer, so any positive integer, so any positive integer. So if it is like this, it's a combination with the 2, 5 and other number also, then what you can say, this is what you can say non-terminating and repeating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal, you can say this one. Or it is in the format of none other than this one 2m and 5 power m or 5 power n. So let's take q will be any other numbers, it may be from let's take a power x and b power y. So here a and b are positive integers, So this is also what you can say, this is also, so this is also non-terminating, and so these are the prime numbers, a and b are the prime numbers, positive integers, not prime positive integers. So let's non-terminating and repeating. So repeating decimals. Sorry, here prime positive integer. So prime numbers, it is primes. So these are all compulsory, it is a prime numbers, a and b are prime, here also x is also prime number. So this is the case. Like this we have to know. So here our first question, what is that? They are given that first one 13 by 3125. So 13 by, so this one 3125 we can do with the prime numbers 5 with the what you can say 3125 by 5, what is that? 625. So how you can 5 6 are 30, 12, 5 2s are, then 5 5s are. Then again do with 5 1s are, then 5 2s are, then 5 5s are. Again go with the 5. So 5 2s are, then 5 5s are. Then again go with the 5 5s are. How many times we can write this one? 5 times this one. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. As I told 5 power 5. This is in the format of 5 power m. That is 5 power 5. What you can say? This is terminating decimal. Obviously it is a terminating decimal. It is in the format of 5 power m. For that it is terminating decimal. And 11 by 12. So what is next one? So 11 by 12. Second one. 11 by 12. Can you write 12 is in the format of anything? So 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4 3. So it is not in the format of 2 power m or 5 power n. So for this, what you can say, this is in the format of 11 by 2 square into 3 power 1. So it is not in the format of either 2. 2 means it's compulsory with the 5. So single 2 is not possible. So for that it is not in the format of anything. For this it is non-terminating and repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. For this we can say like this. Next one. Our third one is 64 by 455. So 64 by 455. What you can write? 64 by 455. Let's do prime factorization for this. So can you do with 5? Yes, obviously 5. 5 nines are 45. Then again 1. Then is there any possibility with that? 7. 7 with you can do. 7 ones are, then 7 threes are, 13 sevens are 91. Again prime numbers, 13 itself is a prime number. You can stop it there. So 64 by 4, that is 5 into 7 into 30. So it is not in the format of anything. That is either it is 5 power m or 2 power m, 5 power m, anything, not this that. So for that you can write simply it is 5 power 1 into 7 power 1 into 13 power 1. This is what you can say. This is non-terminating and repeating decimal. Non-terminating, repeating decimal. So you can say like this. Then our fourth one. So what is our fourth one is 15 by 1600. So 15 by 1600, you can maybe you will get it in the format of, let's take this one. So prime factorizations. So do with prime factorization 1600. So 2 8s are, then 00, then 2 4s are 00, then 2 2s are 00, then 2 1s are 100, then again 2 5s are, so 0. Then again 50, do with the 2 25s are, then again 5 5s are. How many things you can write it like this? So how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 2s, that is 2 power 6. I am writing directly, then 5 square. Yes, it is in the format of, so that is it is in the format of 2 power m 5 power n, that is 2 power 6 into 5 square. Then obviously it is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. You can say like this. These are the formats you need to know about. The denominator should be write it in the format of 2 power m and 5 power s. Whatever it is. 2 with the 5 combination other than any numbers. So like this we have to do. The fifth one, what that is 29 by 343. So whatever, don't get confused. Always if it is a 343 like this means it's a combination with the 300 means let's blindly go with the 7, then it will be easy. So here 343 you can write it in the format of 7. Go with the 7. So 3 4s are 7. So 343 4s are, what you will get here is 7 4s are 28. Then what is the next combination? 6 will come. So after this 63 9s are, then 7 7s are. So you can write 29 by 7 into 7 into 7. It is a combination 29 by 7 power cube. So 7 cube. What you can say? So this is not any format. So for this it is non-terminating decimal. Repeating. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Repeating decimal. So this is the things which we need to know. Then our fifth, sixth one. It is obviously they are given 2 cube 5 power 5 square. It is blindly you can say it is a terminating. How it is in the format of, so 5 square. What you can say? This is 2 power m 5 power n. That is 2 cube 5 square. Blindly you can say this is the denominator. This is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So like this we have to do. Then again go with the seventh one. So seventh one is, what is that? 129 by 2 5 power 7 again 7 power 5. So it is not completely with the combination of, it is not completely combination with the 2 5 only. It is came with 7. So for that it is not 2 power m 5 power again. It is not in the format of 2 square 5 power 7, then 7 power 5 is also there. For that it is not. So for this non-terminating, what you can say, non-terminating and repeating decimal. Non-terminating, repeating decimal. So this is the case how we need to say. Our next one, eighth one is, what is that? 9 by 15. So 9 by 15. How you can write? This is in the format of 3 into 5. So 3 into 5, this is also, so what you can say, this one 3 into 3, let's find out. This is a little bit tricky. So 3 will going to cancel, then we will get, if it is a cancellation is possible, you can do. That is the, sorry for that, I am not told this one at the first stage only. So here 3 then it is with the combination with 3 5 power 1. So 5 power m 5 power 1, yes, it is called, then it is called terminating. So single 5, yes, it is terminating decimal, you can do say. So this is the way. So if it is a possibility, the cancellation, cancel and try to get the denominator with the 5 or 2 power m 5 power n case. So like this we have to do. This is the 8th one. Our 9th one is, what is that? So 9th case, 36 by 100. So 100 we will do with the prime factors, then 2 5s are, then 2 25s are, then 5 5s are. So you can write 36 by 2 square 5 square. Obviously you can see this is in the format of 2 power m 5 power n, that is 2 square into 5 square. You can say yes, it is terminating decimal, and it is terminating decimal. Like this we have to show. Then our next one, 10th one, our last one is 77 by 210. So 210 you can write it in the combination 210. So let's going to do prime factorization for this. What is the combinations? We will going to check it. So 210 means, let's do 2 ones are, then 1 not is 0, 2 5s are. Then again go with the, is that possible to go with the 2? No. Then go with the 3 you can go. So 3 3s are 9, 1 will be 3 5s are, then 7 5s are. So it is that 77 by, you can do 2 into 3 into 7 into 5. It is not either form of 2 5 or 2m 5 power n. So for that it is what you can say. So 2 power m, this is what? Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Even though if you cancel with the 7, so 7 7, so 11 by 2 into 3 into 5. Like that also, not, you are not, we cannot cancel 3. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please try to share with your friends and family members.